Hi, this is the Black Shark Crypto channel. You've probably already heard about projects like Grass, Node.Ai, Dawn, or Bless, right? Today, I want to tell you about a new but promising DePIN project called NodeGo.
Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.
And so, if you've heard about the projects I mentioned earlier, you know how you can earn money using your computer resources that are just sitting idle. NodeGo offers the same opportunity to turn your unused power into real earnings in just a few steps. We've seen the successful listings of projects like Grass and Node.Ai, where you could earn up to $100 per account without investing anything. NodeGo might not be an exception, as the expected launch date is the second quarter of 2025. There's still time to generate enough points before then. One of the key advantages of NodeGo is that you activate a node in the Telegram app, and you don't even need to keep your device online. Let's get started with activating the node. To activate, you need PT. You can get them by completing tasks or pay in ton and start mining. Click Activated. The node is activated. The mining process has started. You will begin earning points over time. Next, we'll look at how to install the browser extension. But before that, I want to introduce you to the Earn section where you can get PT and increase your points and potential earning. Invite your friends and earn 20 of your friends' points. To increase your points, install the Chrome extension. The website address will be in the video description, but for now, I'll show you how it works on my account. Fill out a simple registration form and click the Register button. You will be redirected to the dashboard. If in the Telegram app, in the Profile section, the Connect button is inactive as shown in the screenshot, try again later. The app is currently under active development, so there might be some issue. Click on the store link and scroll the page all the way to the bottom. Click Install Now. Click Add to Chrome, and the extension will be installed. Click Login, and you will be redirected to the main dashboard page. Open the NodeGo extension that you pinned to the toolbar. Wait for the app to load, then click Activate Now. After being redirected to the Node section, click the Activate Node button. After that, you'll see a message that the node has been successfully activated. Go back to the dashboard and make sure the node is active. If you see connected, you did everything correctly. I've tested everything on my main account and made sure it all works. So now I can recommend this DePIN project to you. Now I'll show you what the dashboard looks like with both the Telegram node and Chrome node connected. To get the airdrop and additional points, go to the Rewards section. First, activate your email. I'll show you how to do that now. Click Send Verification Email, then Send Email. Open the email and click Verify My Email. Later, you'll be able to link your wallet to your account. Now I want to tell you about the daily rewards and available tasks section. To earn more points, visit this section every day and do a check-in. Complete simple tasks to increase your points or earn them to activate a node. The project has great potential and you don't need to waste time like in Tabbits. Activate a DePIN node as it works in Grass or Node.Ai, and you have every chance to earn passive income. Subscribe to my Black Shark Crypto channel on Telegram. There's only important news there. Feel free to ask questions under this video. In the Telegram channel, I'll leave a ready-made code for copying, which you can use to pin the NodeGo extension in your browser so it always works and doesn't lose connection. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.